we are gathered here today to contribute to the environment, and the backdrop is that a long time ago I saw a banner which said that each one plant one. So the idea is that it's a sacred duty for all of us, right from the times, from Vedic times, from the Rigvedic times, that trees are considered sacred. And trees and water and the symbiotic relationship between trees and water is what sustains life on this earth. So therefore, we thought that we would do our bit and contribute. The entire High Court complex, which already has a large number of trees, sister, my brothers and I decided that we would plant more trees. And we would plant fruiting trees, medicinal trees and flowering trees. In that behalf, we spoke to the horticulture department, and they've been kind to forest department, and they've been kind to assist us. And they've made all the trees available, the saplings. And what you've seen is the first batch of plantation of trees that will take place within the High Court complex. We have a huge parcel of land on the rear side of this building towards the west, below the mountain, below the hill. And we propose to plant neem trees, kadamba trees, maple trees, fruiting trees, flowering trees, so that we can, Manipur of course enjoys a wonderful environment. It's not as polluted as most other large cities in the country. But we wanted to do our bit, and we are also hopeful that we should be able to inspire others to plant trees wherever they find enough land to be able to do that. Of course, as my brother puts it, that we will carry this program is not limited, this planting is not limited to, plantation is not limited to just the High Court. We are going to take it to all the district courts in Manipur.
26 lakh to show. Haiba Uttar Forest Department, educational institution, government department, local club, CSO, NGOs, chief village chief, village authority, village chairman, public mayam puna. Central Armed Police Forces in Galway, 26 lakh. Maybe like hotel hives that upload around 16 lakh 85,000 upload.
बजट कीजिए